Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be taking these panels off on the robot boxes here. So it shouldn't be too hard. I think I just have to undo a couple bolts here and there. So I'll put this robot on pause or service or something so I can get into the, oh well, let's see if there's anything else that's almost done. Okay. Anyways, I'll just wait for one of these to be done. It's just with hooks like that there. So I guess we'll see. Alright, so I'm in the shop here, so I'm assuming it's just gonna be 10 mil, I'm guessing. So I'll grab, where's that? No, that's not it. 10. Let's see here, there's the 10. I'll grab socket. Quickly put that together and then go back to the robot. So now I got the right size, so I'll just be undoing all of these here, and then I'll be taking these panels off. So that's pretty much what I'll be doing. I'll pretty much be making just a whole time lapse of it. Alright, so as you can see here, we got everything off. So that took about half an hour or so. Well, this was just the first one, so I had to figure out where all the bolts were and figure out how to get that back one off. I struggled with that a little bit. But I'm just setting them here for now. This afternoon I have to go work for someone else, so I'll be pressure washing them Saturday morning, so which is tomorrow morning. So the rest of the video will pretty much just be a time lapse of me taking these things off, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it.